Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to enable plugins in Moodle. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure you've already downloaded the Moodle app. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, here you can enter the URL of Moodle site of your school. Once you enter the URL, you will see a list of sites. Choose the correct sites of your school and tap on it. Now you will be prompted to the Moodle site of your school. In order to enable plugins, you need to be logged in as a manager. So enter your username and your password to log in. After you are logged in, you will see this dashboard. Here you can see the 3 lines icon at the top left corner. Tap on it. Now choose the option Site Administration. In this page, here you can see the More option. Tap on it. Now select Plugins. Here, this is a demo site and this site is not yet registered. So there is no any option to enable plugin right now. If you go to your authentic school's Moodle website, then you will find the option to enable plugins. You can simply follow the instructions and you can enable the plugin. So that's it. That's how you can enable plugins in Moodle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.